anointings break the yoke. When I come into your presence, I'm so happy. When I come into your presence, I'm so glad. In your presence there is anointing, and your spirit moves around me. In your presence, anointing break the yoke. Jesus, we are here. We